Right, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ambassador True Sport right here. So on today's video, I want to quickly give a breakdown of how this week went and trades I took and mistakes I made and how we go, right? So if you're seeing my video for the very first time, my name is Ambassador True Sport. So on this channel, I tend to update weekly market analysis, my view of the market. I drop content that will help you learn and master how to trade the financial markets and my view, my bias, and all that, right? So if you're looking for a community where you can learn how to trade, master your strategy, master your psychology, and become the best version of you in trading, this is the right channel. So please subscribe to the right channel, turn on the notification bell so that you always stay updated on the market. Like I used to say to my previous subscribers, this is a channel that is meant to help you grow, right? So we are here to help each other. I'm not posting because I am the best trader or I have become forest millionaire or so. No, I'm still growing. We are still growing. We are all growing, right? So I only give out my knowledge here to assist people who are still coming up and to assist people who have already been in the market for months, for years, but they still find it difficult to understand how this market actually works, right? So first, you need to understand that if you're coming into trading, you need to have the mindset that trading is not a get rich quick scheme. I know you have been hearing these tons and tons of the game, but that's the honest truth. If you have that mindset, you're still going to have issues with becoming profitable in the financial market. So like I always used to say, I'm a Christian, and this channel is to help everybody to learn and master how to trade. If you're a Christian, we have a Christian community where we trade live. We have time where we trade live. I make my analysis live with this community. I post my trade when I want to take trade, and I share my trades, my win, my losses, and everything with everybody. When we are making money, we all make together. When we had loss, we all have together. So if you're not in that community, you are already missing out a lot. Check the description of this video, click the link on the description to join the community. Very nice place to be where you learn. We are not there to make mockery of your loss or make jest of you, right? We are there to grow all together. So let's look at the charts for today. So today we have we all know is GBP JPY. We see that market is in an uptrend and we are following the market bias, right? So going to 30 minutes, we'll see that price came and reacted off so these 30 minutes, we'll see that price came and reacted on this resistance level, sorry, this support level, right? So price reacted on this support level, and then we saw that price reaction, right? We saw price reacting. So we can see that price came and you can see this range, and then price came to this other block and continued to the upside. I was supposed to catch this trade, but I wasn't able to, so that was it. And then boom, I think I already made a video of the trade we caught somewhere here. So looking at this trade here, I caught this market. Let me go to lower time frame because I used lower time frame to enter the trade. So looking at this trade here, I caught this particular trade as soon as price came here. I wanted to see how price would react, so we got this push and push and push. Price went above all the way here. Okay, price came back here. This was where I took this trade. Am I correct? Okay, yes. So I took this trade here. Let me quickly check my screenshot because I have my screenshot where I drop all my trades. So let me quickly do that. Can I really find out at the moment? Meanwhile, don't mind what you're seeing on my screen. I'm a graphic designer, so I do design for people. Because of time I won't be able to search for that. Let's just go back. So I caught this trade here. I took this trade from here. I caught this entry, this buy. I caught this buy here. I caught this buy here, and stop loss was below, and my TP was just above here or so, just somewhere here, right? So yes, 1 2 3. So price came and tap and was going very nicely. I was so happy, uh and I have to, as soon as price has given me all the way this, I have to break even, right? I broke even. So breaking even only for me to check later, it happens that price has come to hit me out on break even, which gave me a almost 1%, right, on the break even. So which finally price hit GP. So there is a trade I took last week that I made mistake, and I want to show that trade, right? So what was the mistake I made, right? I saw this, I marked this as a change of character. Let me go to 4 hours time frame so that I'll see more clearly. So let me show you guys the mistake I made to show you that nobody is the ogre of the market. Everybody makes a mistake, right? So after price broke this structure, this was a break of structure here, and then here was a change of character. I marked out, right? I marked out this as a change of character. Then what happened? I marked this level as my supply zone, which I was anticipating price to sell from that level and push all the way. I was expecting price to push all the way to this level here. We have this demand zone and we have liquidity. I was anticipating price to tap there, and then we start getting that sell, right? So price tapped on it. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. We can see how price came to it very nicely, like very nicely. Price tapped on it, and as soon as price tapped on it, we got this very beautiful engulfing push, right? We got this very beautiful engulfing push, and then price came back and then dropped very well, which made me feel like, okay, with these strong bearish candles, we are actually going to be selling. So I marked out this level, waiting for price to come and give me a confirmation entry. So I was basically waiting for price at this level. Then let's go to down to 15 minutes. I was waiting for price at this level, right? As soon as price came there, I did still jump the trade, right? As soon as price came there, you can see the first candle wicked, the second one dropped, ended wicking. This one then dropped with wick. Then this pullback, right, was where I entered the trade. I entered the trade on this pullback, and then my stop loss was above here. So you can see how price started ranging there. Price started going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, which sellers were trying to push it, buyers were also trying to push it, right? So but the mistake I made was that I was so much confident, like I was so much focused on the market dropping, right? I was so much focused on the market dropping, like I was just anticipating the market to drop, right? So when this move started happening, I was okay, where I think sellers are coming in, right? So only for me to see this boom slash up, and then price hit me out of the trade and gave us a break of structure to the upside. So this was when we got this break of structure to the upside, so indicating that market is still strongly bullish, right? So price is not trying to sell anytime, any moment now, right? So what is my anticipation for the week? For this week, so let's take this out because there's no holding. So for this week, I'll be looking at this is my trading range, right? My trading range is this low to this high. So this is my trading range. Let me mark it out. This is where I'm anticipating to trade from Monday, Tuesday also. So this is my trading range from this low to this high. You can see these lines I marked out, they are my trading range, right? So from this low to this high is my trading range. So by next week, I'll be anticipating price to come back. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame, we can see it more clearly. So we can see that price is bullish, came to this demand zone and then started pushing up. So for me, next week, I want to see price come back to all the way here. First, if we use our fib level, these are our fib level. So if we mark from low to high to know where we are going to be waiting for price, right? We have We have 50%, we have 61%, which is my golden zone, and then we have 70%. So for me, I basically look at between 61 to 70%. That's where I look out for market. So we have this order block here. We have this order block between 61 to 70%. So that's how I use my fifth level, right? So what am I going to be waiting for? I'm waiting for price at this level by next week, Monday. From Monday, I'm waiting for price at this level. So what do I want to see? I want to see price come take this as liquidity. This is our liquidity level here. So price should take it out. Price should take it out and then give us a nice, beautiful entry from here. Then targets the high, which is this level. So which is 1 is to 2.3. So that's 1 is to 1 is to 2.13. So that's my anticipation for next week, right? It's very simple. Once price opens, you can set your pending order and wait for price at this level, right? This is my setup for next week. So please, if you are coming across my video for the first time, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can be getting updates like this. Remember, we are here all to learn, and the best thing you can do for me is to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that we can reach out to more people, because there are a lot of people out there who are willing to learn, right? But they are not seeing the right place to learn, right? There are a lot of noise online, so we just need to assist these people to see our channel and learn from us, right? So the way I'm helping you out with this content out here is also how I wish you and want you to also help me out by subscribing so that we can reach out to more people. Please subscribe, comment. If you have any question, drop it on the comment. I'll reply to it. If you want any video, make your request, I will reply to it. So please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay updated on the channel. I promise to be updating videos at least every week to my best, no matter how busy I am. I always try to update at least one video before every week runs out. So thank you so much for watching. Do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay updated. I remain your brother, Ambassador Chuks Paul. Shalom.